Some key events are setting up this month that could potentially affect the crypto market negatively, and Solana is breaking out. Will it go to new all-time highs soon? This is your Altcoin Buzz News. Hey, what's up, everyone? My name is Cody Buffington. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you know when I drop latest content. Follow us on Twitter, AltcoinBuzzIO, and as always, this is not financial advice and wish you the best of luck in your crypto ventures. Solana surged by 19.5% between March 5th and 7th, reaching $150 for the first time since January 2022. The increase gained momentum after Bloomberg reported that Pantera Capital's asset manager plans to purchase $250 million worth of SOL tokens from the bankrupt FTX estate. Traders are now questioning whether SOL can sustain its 47% gains over 12 days and the likelihood of the altcoin surpassing $200. Regardless of whether Pantera Capital's proposal is accepted, it represents only a fraction of the $5.9 billion held in SOL tokens by the FTX estate. Therefore, the bullish momentum likely stems from other factors, such as the frenzy surrounding Solana SPL meme coins. For example, on March 6, a collection of tokens inspired by celebrities and poorly drawn tokens like Geo Bowden, Jesus Crust, and Spooderman dominated in terms of volume and performance. Even for those who see no value in the trend, it encourages investors to speculate on newly launched tokens within the Solana network and prompts developers to provide liquidity for their projects. Essentially, the momentary hype positively influences the demand for SOL tokens and the utilization of its decentralized exchange ecosystem. By attracting attention, particularly from newcomers, the Solana network solidifies its appeal to traders who may be less concerned about decentralization and perhaps even lower fees on competing blockchains. Furthermore, other SPL tokens with functional use or associated applications, such as Jupiter and Radium, surged by nearly 30% between March 5th and March 7th. In addition to the DEX sector, Jito rose 15.5%, and Helium Mobile traded up 14.5% during the same period. Additionally, there is anticipation surrounding airdrops, including Wormhole, Camino, Parcel, and Magnify, which creates ongoing demand for SOL tokens. One might argue that SOL's bullish momentum could wane after the airdrop and meme coin hype, or speculate that the FTX bankruptcy estate might further restrict the price upside. However, none of these criticisms holds much weight if volumes continue to surge. Essentially, SOL's performance isn't solely reliant on specific SPL token performances, as long as new protocols and use cases continue to emerge. As observed by Gumshoe, current Solana DEX activity far surpasses the peak prior to the FTX Alameda Research collapse in November of 2022. The Solana network smart contract deposits, gauged by the total value locked, reached a 16-month high on March 6 at 22.8 million SOL, signifying a 33% increase from the previous month. Our partners at Commonwealth have begun their free VC fund airdrop competition for $2.4 million in early access projects. The competition ends in a few days on March 12th, so make sure you've completed all the airdrop tasks before then. For those who don't know, Commonwealth is an early stage investment platform making VC level investment access available to all. It combines Web3 technology and high-level investment principles, such as the highest quality and best deals. They have a seasoned team with backgrounds in Cardano, Facebook, Google, IBM, and Intel. They're also supported by a 10-person All Street Oracle with VC backgrounds. The free VC fund is a $2.4 million fund offering access to 15 yet-to-launch projects, and these projects have high-quality, solid fundamentals and innovations. In this, 1,026 winners will receive slices of the fund in a 3-week campaign. Also, you may receive the Commonwealth token airdrop as a bonus. The top 10 participants will each secure a $10,000 allocation, the next 50 participants will receive a $5,000 allocation, and the third tier, the next 1,000 participants, are good for a $1,000 allocation. As for the runners-up, no one is left empty-handed. There's over $1 million worth of their wealth token to share, and that's for everybody who makes it to the leaderboard. Sign up now using our Commonwealth referral link down below and get access to early-stage deals just like a VC. The recent performance of Litecoin as a payment protocol on BitPay has moved the cryptocurrency to unprecedented levels. Litecoin registered an all-time high of about 41% per its count dominance as a payment option on BitPay, one of the top cryptocurrency payment processors. This new development demonstrates that Litecoin is currently outperforming several digital assets, including Bitcoin. Crypto payment gained intense recognition amongst individuals in many regions and with several merchants. Driven by spot Bitcoin ETF's market success, among other factors, the price of Bitcoin reached a new all-time high this week as it climbed above $69,000. The massive numbers recorded by the spot Bitcoin ETF issuers, including BlackRock and Fidelity, are all indications of a growing interest in Bitcoin amongst institutional investors. However, a look at BitPay data confirms this interest has not entirely translated to adoption as a payment protocol for the Bitcoin ecosystem. The crypto payment service provider came up with a chart that shows the count of payments made in the cryptocurrency. Litecoin topped the list as the most used cryptocurrency for transaction settlement with 41.76% dominance. Bitcoin's dominance in the payment ecosystem scored just above 24% of the projected total, indicating that it's far behind Litecoin in this regard. The BitPay chart confirms that Ethereum's use as an alternate payment method only accounts for 9%. Other digital assets that made it to the list are Dogecoin at 6.8%, Polygon's Matic at 5.06%, Bitcoin Cash at 5.59%, and USDC at 3.69%. Our partners at Creta World are set to launch a new Web3 game developed by renowned game creator Yoshiki Akamoto, known for his work in arcade, consumer, and smartphone games. An exclusive special event will precede the game's launch, offering participants a first look at the project's concept and outline. Interested individuals must apply before the deadline of Tuesday, March 19th, 2024, as spots for the event are limited. And for those who don't know, Creta World is a platform that provides premium gaming entertainment, but much more, it empowers developers to create games, eliminating the complexity of the process. For beginners, Creta provides a range of games. This includes new versions of popular franchises and unique metaverse worlds where players can explore and socialize. It also has a Creta marketplace where users can find NFT assets based on famous IPs or create their own. The highlight of Creta is its intuitive game creation engine. In addition, users can leverage smart contracts to license their creations, monetize in-game items as NFTs, and deploy games on the Creta platform for others to enjoy. Creta World goes beyond a single line of products. Instead, it's an all-encompassing ecosystem of the next generation of Web3 games. The first is the Creta Metaverse. Creta is currently working on creating an infinitely expandable metaverse. It sets itself apart from standard metaverses by introducing a massive multiverse that allows other metaverses to integrate and expand. Creta also offers its users access to content and ecosystems such as casual games, MMORPGs, and battle royales. Next is the Creta Store. The Creta Store is where users can find different objects. This includes vast lands, ships, and buildings. Third is the NFT Marketplace. The Creta NFT Marketplace allows users to buy, trade, and list their in-game NFTs. And lastly is the Creta Super Club. The Super Club is a community-owned and managed platform. Trading rights and ownership are converted into NFTs. Users can opt to sell or transfer. Plus, users decide on the direction and principles of the community, and this makes it a fully decentralized platform. Check out Creta World and their gaming entertainment platform with the links down below. Fetch AI's native token FET has witnessed a 360% gain since 2023, with a notable rise from 60 cents to an all-time high of $2.84, which was partly driven by the upgrade in early February. As a result, FET briefly entered the list of the top 50 cryptocurrency assets by market cap before sliding down 2 positions. The latest rally was first fueled by the market-wide surge and was later propelled by Fetch AI securing advanced GPUs following the $100 million infrastructure investment, and as a result, FET recorded over 70% in weekly gains. Fetch AI is a Cosmos-based crypto artificial intelligence project, and it recently announced plans to invest $100 million in an infrastructure initiative known as Fetch Compute. It aims to enhance the resources, computational capacity, and training opportunities for developers, while also offering GPU credits to users. And also recently, German multinational engineering giant Bosch teamed up with Fetch AI to jointly introduce a new foundation focused on driving industrial adoption of software agents, AI, and Web3 technology. This new entity was called Fetch AI Foundation, which prioritized research and development efforts, as well as promoting the practical application and adoption of agents across various sectors. As the calendar flips to March, the crypto market is on the brink of facing potentially pivotal changes for the crypto industry. First off, the Federal Reserve's Bank Term Funding Program, or BTFP, will stop making new loans on March 11th. The BTFP was designed as a liquidity backstop for eligible institutions during periods of financial stress. Its conclusion signals a shift towards normalization post-economic stress, with institutions continuing to have access to liquidity through the discount window. It will also reverberate through the banking sector, which indirectly impacts the liquidity and stability of the crypto market. Next, the Consumer Price Index, or CPI data for February, set to be released on March 12th, provides a crucial measure of inflation. This data is pivotal for economic policy and investment strategies, as it influences the Federal Reserve's decisions on interest rate hikes. Then the first creditors meeting for FTX on March 15th aims to establish a liquidation committee as part of an official liquidation process. This meeting is crucial for stakeholders to understand the progress of the liquidation, the claims process, and the impact on the crypto market. And lastly, the Federal Reserve's meeting on March 20th, the financial world will closely watch for any changes in interest rates, such as decisions directly impacting the investment environment, affecting the attractiveness of cryptocurrencies as alternative investments in the face of rising or falling traditional asset yields. That's it for your Altcoin Buzz News update. I'm Oscar Buffington. Thanks for watching.